Hi, my name is Vijayata and welcome back to another video of mine. And you must have guessed by the topic that I will be talking about depression, but in a little different sense, in a little different way than the usual clinical terms. So let's get started. So how about taking a little different path to explore depression rather than the usual clinical terms and explanations? I am neither way declining the importance of those clinical explanations about depression, but I believe there is more to it than what we normally see, than what we normally perceive. And guess what? I came across a research paper which is titled as the title of my video, The Value of Depression, which is written by D.W. Winnicott. He is a pediatrician and a psychoanalyst practicing in London. And trust me, this paper has enormous amount of insights if you want to grow out of depression and not just get cured. So Winnicott starts his paper by explaining that the affective state or disorder, affective state in clinical terms is equal to mood. Okay, so he says affective state or disorder depression carries with it the hypochondria and the introspection. So when we say hypochondria, he's actually mentioning about your body. So when you are suffering from depression or there is a depressed person, he or she might go through the physical pain as well, heart, lung, liver or rheumatic pain especially. And the second part is introspection. That means when you are sad and gloomy for a prolonged period of time, you might question your choices, you might question your beliefs, your values, you will talk to yourself a lot. So now there is this paradox that depression has these things, but then he is talking about the value of depression. So he says that he is trying to explore that paradox in this paper that he has written. Now Winnicott goes on to say that the doing constructive things, engaging in constructive activities is the only way to come out of depression. Then he also states that when he was in the medical school, he was taught that the depression has within itself the germs of its recovery. And I guess that's a pretty deep line to start with. And then he says that there is this inbuilt tendency to recover in our body. Right, our body is trying to keep us healthy, trying to keep us safe 24/7. So he says that this inbuilt tendency to recover links depression to somewhat the maturation process. जैसे हमारे phases होते हैं लाइफ के, childhood when we were a toddler, then childhood, teenager, adulthood, then old age. So in all these phases we have different kind of maturation process. हर phase से हम कुछ ना कुछ लेके grow करते हैं, एक virtue लेके grow करते हैं. So he says depression is somewhat related to that maturation process, but only when there is the facilitating environment. Now this facilitating environment can be different for different people. For someone this might be their families, their friends, their peers, or for some people it can just be their therapist. If we want to understand depression depth, we will have to go back to the roots. That means we will have to go back to the childhood to explore the childhood a little bit. So the second thing Winnicott talks about is the same. He talks about emotional individual development. So when he says that when a child is born, a child is an environment. And through a complex process, the child learns to differentiate what is his self and what is the outside. Alright. So now child becomes a unit. अब उसको पता है कि मैं एक यूनिट हूँ, ये एक यूनिट है, ये एक यूनिट है, ये एक यूनिट है. And one of the many consequences of this new found development is that the child now has an inside and he knows that there is an outside also. Alright. So जब उसको ये पता है कि अब एक inside है और अब एक complex interchange होता है that what is inside and what is outside, and this inside and outside का clashes and understanding, this goes throughout the life of an individual and which actually constitutes his main relationship with the world. Now suppose the way you are conditioned to some things and the way you see people reacting to those things, now there is this clash in your head कि मैं तो ये सोचती थी, ये होता तो ये है. So now this understanding, जब ये चीज़ चलती है, then you get some kind of maturity in some sense. Now that the child has become a unit, the child becomes able to feel I am. And when he is able to do this, when he is able to feel this, he is now able to ride his or her instinctual storms, and he is also able to contain the strains and stresses that arise in his personal inner psychic reality. In other words, what happens is we think कि अब मैं तो ये सोचती हूँ पर बाहर के लोग ये करते हैं, तो कौन सही है, मैं सही हूँ या बाहर की चीज़ें सही हैं? और you might have been conditioned in different way, but then when you experience that same thing in a completely different context, in a completely different scenario, you get this clashes of thoughts. Okay, कि अच्छा ये क्या हो गया ना, दिस न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट नीड्स टू बी adjusted in my psyche, or in other words we can say the child has now become able to be depressed, and this is a kind of emotional achievement and emotional growth that Winnicott states. And because of all these reasons Winnicott says कि कहीं ना कहीं हमारा जो व्यू है डिप्रेशन का, that is bound by the concept of ego strength, self establishment and the discovery of personal identity, right? And so this is why he says that there is some kind of value to depression. Winnicott explains all of this with a beautiful example. Okay, suppose there is a city and there is fog over the city. Okay, so when there is fog, everything is slowed down, everything is brought to a state of deadness. कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है, धूप नहीं है बहुत दिनों तक, बहुत ही धुंध है, कहीं ना कहीं हम सैड और ग्लूमी हो जाते हैं. Alright, and there is this state of the relative deadness that continues to control every action, every thought, every feeling of yours. In the human individual, in the case of human individual, what happens is जो city है, consider that as you, as yourself, and that fog is your depressed mood. So now what this fog does is it blurs your instincts and your capacity for relating to the outside world, right? Now what happens, suddenly from here and there, कहीं ना कहीं जब टेंशन रिलीज होती है तो फॉग उठने लगती है, फॉग स्टार्ट्स टू लिफ्ट अप, कहीं से उठ गई, हल्की सी सनलाइट आई, life blooms, life starts, life begins again in some way or the other. कहीं पे टेंशन रिलीज हुई तो ऐसा होता है कि फॉग तुम्हारा डिप्रेस्ड मूड है, वो सिटी तुम्हारा सेल्फ है. फॉग आई पर वो चली भी गई, धीरे धीरे उठ रही है कहीं ना कहीं से, पर वो जा रही है. सो Winnicott says कि इंस्टेड ऑफ फोकसिंग ऑन दी एंग्जाइटी कंटेंट यहाँ पर कि फॉग है एंड आई एम फीलिंग ग्लूमी, सैड, I don't want to interact with the outside world, he is rather focusing on the ego structure and the self of the person, कि हमारी inner economy कितनी strong है to deal with that. So now he says depression, just like fog coming, continuing and then lifting off, somewhere represents that your ego structure has held through this time of crisis. So now this is the triumph of integration. ये एक आपकी इमोशनल अचीवमेंट है कि डिप्रेशन आया, वो सस्टेन किया, आपकी जो इनर इकोनॉमी थी वो इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग थी कि आप उसको सस्टेन कर पाए जब तक कि वो लिफ्ट नहीं हो गया. एंड ड्यूरिंग ऑल दिस अगेन जो मैंने पहले बात की थी, द फैसिलिटेटिंग एनवायरनमेंट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, right? So this is the triumph of integration, he says, beautifully he says, the triumph of integration, कि एक achievement हो जाती है हमारी, which gives us a sense of self-worth, right? We sense that we have actually become matured now. Yes, this is what I was talking about, to view depression in a little different light, in a little different sense. And please feel free to decipher or derive your own unique meanings out of what I said. Just make sure those are constructive and productive and the rest is all fine. And also to all the psychology students out there who are watching this, if you want to go and read this paper by yourself, which I would highly recommend, I am leaving a link in the description box. Kindly go and visit that. And thank you for watching my videos, and please keep subscribing. If you want to see how I answered some of the psychology questions that were asked by my friends, please click on this video over here. And if you want to hear my rendition on my favorite time of every day, that is the evening, kindly click on this video. And stay curious and keep spreading knowledge. Thank you. We'll meet you next time.